Welcome back, beautiful. Today I'm walking you through one full day of how I support my gut, my hormones, and my energy from the inside out. This is real food, real healing, and a lifestyle that actually feels good. This is my morning foundation. Before I eat anything, I focus on hydration, minerals, gut health, and cellular nourishment. This is what helps reduce inflammation, support digestion, and stabilize energy all day long. Liquid chlorophyll is one of my favorite daily detox tools. It helps oxygenate the blood, bind to toxins in the gut, and support the liver so your body can actually eliminate waste instead of recycling it. This is my probiotic and prebiotic. Probiotics replenish good bacteria in your gut, while prebiotics feed the bacteria so it can thrive. A healthy gut improves digestion, boosts immunization, and balances hormones. This liquid multivitamin fills in nutritional gaps that food alone sometimes can't cover. Now, liquid vitamins absorb faster and more efficiently, which is especially helpful when you're healing your gut. It supports energy, skin, hair, and immune health. These are mushroom gummies with lion's mane and sea moss. Lion's mane supports brain health, memory, and focus, while sea moss provides minerals that nourish the gut lining and thyroid. This combo supports both digestion and mental clarity. Now, on to one of my favorites. These are packed with greens, fruits, and antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. They support detox pathways and they give your gut more plant diversity, which is key for healthy bacteria. Now, this is one of my favorite daily rituals. It's powerful, anti inflammatory, and supports digestion, circulation, and immune health. Carrots support liver detox and gut lining repair. Oranges and lemon provide vitamin C and alkalizing minerals that help reduce inflammation. And ginger improves digestion, reduces bloating, and speeds up metabolism. Turmeric is one of the strongest natural anti inflammatories, but it needs black pepper to activate it, which is why I always add both. Cayenne pepper helps stimulate digestion and circulation so your body actually absorbs all of these nutrients. This is what real self care looks like. It's not just skincare, it's what you put into your body first thing in the morning. Now we're going into my first meal of the day, a loaded sweet potato taco bowl with pineapple detox juice. This is nourishing, filling, and deeply supportive for gut health. Sweet potatoes are rich in fiber, potassium, and beta carotene. They feed good gut bacteria, support blood sugar balance, and help reduce inflammation in the digestive tract. What I usually do to cook these to perfection, I preheat my oven on 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I oil the sweet potatoes very well and I poke holes in it. I add a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper sometimes, it just depends. And I wrap it in foil and I cook these, or you can roast them for about 1 hour or until softened. Now, while those are cooking, I'm prepping my pico de gallo. Now, what I love, now, raw tomatoes provide vitamin C, antioxidants, and they support gut and heart health. They also help hydrate the body and support digestion when paired with fresh herbs and lime, which I love pico de gallo. I love mango salsa. I love pineapple sauce. Girl, I love all salsas, okay? It just brings so much balance and goodness to your meals, especially when it comes to eating healthy. Now, red onion is a natural prebiotic, which means it feeds the good bacteria in your gut. It also helps fight harmful microbes and support immune function. We all love that, right? Cilantro supports detox, lime helps stimulate digestive enzymes, and together this fresh mixture supports gut, meaning it helps your system move waste out more efficiently. Now, onto my ground turkey, I do the basics. I add a little bit of onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, a little bit of Sasson tropical seasoning, and a pinch of salt and pepper and plant-based butter. And I cook until fully cooked, but I like it to be moist and have some juiciness to it. You know what I mean? Just like taco meat. Lean ground turkey provides protein without being inflammatory. Proteins help stabilize blood sugar and keep you feeling full, which is essential for gut and hormone health. This combination gives you fiber, protein, minerals, and enzymes all in one sweet potato bowl, okay? Which is exactly what your gut loves. It's so fulfilling. Y'all, I didn't have to have a snack. I just had another detox juice after this and just making sure I stay hydrated with coconut water. But other than that, I was so full. It was so fulfilling and it's still healthy and it has so many benefits just in this one meal alone, which is what our body needs. Our body's a plant. You know what I mean? So we have to make sure we're feeding and watering our body correctly so it can grow properly. Now, the pineapple detox juice. This is such a favorite detox juice. Oh my gosh. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps break down protein and reduce inflammation in the gut. Cucumber actually hydrates and flushes toxins. Now, ginger reduces bloating and speeds digestion. This juice helps curb my appetite, it cleanses the digestive system, and it reduces belly inflammation. Okay, so I highly recommend this juice. If you're a first timer or like a beginner to juicing, I highly recommend this 4 ingredient juice. You just have pineapple, ginger, cucumber, and lemon. Okay, if you need more, add another pineapple, which I usually do. This lasts about 3 to 4 days, and I recommend using glass containers. I will have the juicer and the glass containers linked in my description under my Amazon storefront. Now, I kept dinner light and nourishing so my body can rest and heal overnight. So, with the roasted vegetables, oh, this was so powerful. It was so delicious. I used pumpkin that supports gut lining and provides fiber. The red onions support gut bacteria. The red bell peppers are rich in vitamin C. The garlic is a natural antimicrobial that kills harmful bacteria. Turmeric reduces inflammation and supports digestion. Now, when it comes to making this puree, this vegetable puree is loaded with minerals and fiber that soothe the digestion tract. So adding broth and coconut or plant-based milk helps make it that creamy Caribbean feel, you know what I mean? It's nourishing and easy to digest. It's super cold here in Florida, and I know in a lot of places they're even having snowstorms. And you want something that's going to be so nourishing. I want to feel that comfort, you know what I mean? But we still supporting our gut, taking care of ourselves. So, roasting vegetables, especially adding garlic and onion, will bring your meal to the next level. This really satisfy the craving I felt when I wanted something comforting and just warm to my spirit. You know what I mean? And it was so fulfilling. It was a lot. So I could use this for meal preps. You can make this with pasta, whether that's plant-based pasta or just regular pasta. You can add this over a bed of rice with some protein or just by itself and making it like a plant-based meal. You can even eat the roasted vegetables as is without pureeing it. When I tell you, it smelled up the whole house. It smelled so delightful, and it was so comforting. And I just went ahead and blend this up. I added some of my green Caribbean seasoning. You know I have to add that. If you know me, you know I love using that. It adds so much depth of flavor into your meals. It's literally a mixture of spices, herbs, and vegetables. So it's just adding more nutrients to your body. I love it. Who said eating healthy was bad or can be bland? No, we're adding flavor, okay? I added some vegetable broth like I told y'all before. I added a little bit of coconut milk, but you're more than welcome to add, a plant-based alternative, 2% milk. I brought that to a simmer and I let that really just sit for a few minutes, just so those flavors came together. Added a little bit of plant-based butter, squeeze of lemon and lemon zest to give it that tanginess I love. And I let that simmer for a bit. Now, with my favorites, I am in love with seafood. I don't really care what anybody says. Like, I was a pescatarian years ago, and I don't mind being that. Like, it's so good. I really can revert back. But I am using this exotic, beautiful, juicy, meaty lobster tail. And I wanted to show you how you can still kind of like have an upscale meal, but make it healthy. Because I love to go out to eat, right? I'm sure we all do. But sometimes we have to, do what we need to do to eat at home to make sure we're getting the proper vitamins and nutrients in our body. So with the lobster tail, I went ahead and cut it in half. I added plant-based butter to the bottom instead of oil to give it some more pizzazz and flavor. I seasoned it up with my Caribbean ginger and pimento seasoning, as well as a little bit of smoked paprika for color. And I broiled it on low until it was fully cooked. So about 5 to 7 minutes. And this one is pretty meaty. Now, lobster is rich in protein, zinc, and omega-3s, which support gut repair, skin health, and immune function, girl. Yes, that's right. I went ahead and prepped this up, and I actually paired this with one of my favorite detox juices. Look at one of my other videos under my detox juices. You will hear the benefits of that. Beets support liver detox, blood flow, and hormone balance. Pineapple and ginger help reduce bloating and inflammation. So together, this is a great combination and helpful for women with cycles. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a like, subscribe, comment, and share it with someone who may need this information. I will see you all in the next video.